Welcome back to the French Stepwise. Today we're cracking the invisible code of the French schedule, the subtle prepositions that act as the source code for professional life.
It's more than just numbers. It's about territory. Mastering de, a, du, and au is the difference between being a tourist and owning your time in France.
Let's start with the basic bridge, de and a. Think of them as the anchors for your starting point and your destination.
Je travaille de 8 heures à 17 heures. I work from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Je travaille de 8 heures à 17 heures.
Notice that when we use specific hours, the prepositions stay pure, de and a. No contractions are needed because time is treated as a point, not a noun with gender.
But when we shift to days of the week, the architecture changes. Because days are masculine nouns, the le merges with our prepositions.
De plus le becomes du. A plus le becomes au. This creates the du-au structure for spanning across days.
Le cours de français est du lundi au jeudi. The French course is from Monday to Thursday. Le cours de français est du lundi au jeudi.
Now, look at how this creates boundaries. If the course is du lundi au jeudi, it means the territory of the weekend is yours again. The schedule is a contract.
Mariva, tu es libre du vendredi au dimanche? Are you free from Friday to Sunday? Mariva, tu es libre du vendredi au dimanche?
Oui, je suis disponible à partir de vendredi soir. Yes, I am available starting Friday evening. Oui, je suis disponible à partir de vendredi soir.
Before we wrap up, remember, de, a for specific hours, and du, au for ranges of days. It's the difference between a moment and a block of your life.
We've covered the from-to bridge, the hidden gender contractions in days, and the power of setting boundaries. Master these, and you master the French workday.
If this helped you see the invisible architecture of French, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. We want to hear from you. What's the hardest part of your schedule to explain in French?
Share this video with a fellow learner. Leave a comment with your key takeaway, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep building those bridges.